Hey guys, welcome to Long Hills. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Tera Box account online on your PC. And now let's dive right in. Now just log into your Tera Box account online on your computer. First open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in terabox.com like this and hit on enter. Or you can just simply search for Tera Box, login on the Google Chrome itself and hit on enter, and you will find the terabox.com on the first result of the Google Chrome. Click over there, or the Google result, click over there, and you will be on the same page as this one, which is the home page or the open page of the Tera Box. Since both of these pages are same, let's close one of these. Now to log into your Tera Box account from over here, you can choose to log in with your Google account from over here. If you click on this button, you can see a sign in page to your Google account will open, and if you log into your Google account from over there, you will be logged in, or you'll be signed into your Tera Box account. Or if you want to log into your Tera Box account with your custom phone or email, simply click on phone or email over here, and you'll be able to enter your phone number. And after you click on the same code, a verification code will be sent to your phone number over here. Enter your number over here like this, guys. And after that, click on send code, and after you click on send code, a verification code will be sent to you on your mobile, and you will have to enter that verification code over here. And after you enter your verification code, you can simply, the login button will be available to you, and you'll be able to log into your Tera Box account from over here. Or if you want to log into your Tera Box account with your email, you can see the email option available over here. Click on email, and you will be required to enter your email like this, which you have registered on Tera Box at the time of creating your account. And after that, enter your password, and after you have entered your password and your email like this, click on login, and you'll be signed into your Tera Box account. And let's go back. You can also choose to sign into your Tera Box account with your QR code. If you don't know your credentials, simply open the Tera Box on your phone, and you can see there is the Tera Box option available over here. It shows where is the scanner on your app on your phone. Click that button, which is shown over here where I'm hovering right now on your phone, and after that, scan this QR code with your phone, and you'll be directly logged into your Tera Box account from over here. Or you can simply choose to log into your Tera Box account with your Facebook or your Apple accounts respectively. If you want to log into your Facebook or your Apple accounts from over here, you will be signed into your Tera Box account from over here. That being said, guys, this is how you log into your Tera Box account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.